All right, I'm back. So the objective is that you can identify and apply properties of similar triangles and justify your answers. There is a quiz tomorrow over similar triangles on Friday. I know I haven't been here, but you're going to want to make sure you do good on this quiz, which means the easiest way to do that is to do your review and make sure your review is done and ready tomorrow. But real quick, speaking of due, the 3 assignments from Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday of last week, which is basic proportions from Monday the 3rd, multi-step proportions from Tuesday the 4th, and then similar triangles assignment from Thursday the 6th. And you can see those on the board, on the sliding board right to the left of the screen that's being projected. Those 3 assignments you definitely want to make sure are done because they're about to go into the grade book. Make sure those are done, okay? This week you want to write sub for Monday through Wednesday, even if there wasn't a sub, even if you had just Miss Marshall. We're just putting that to indicate I wasn't here for Monday through Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and here's our warm-up. We're going to solve for the missing side and then find the scale factor. Okay, so first things first, we want to connect corresponding sides. 28 goes to 42. 28 goes to 42, x goes to 33. So what I'm going to do is set up those two fractions, left to right. 28 goes to 42, so make that a fraction. Don't forget equals, and then left to right again, x goes to 33, so x over 33. You can set it up correctly. Now you either do butterfly method or cross multiplying and dividing. 28 goes 28 and 33. You cross, don't forget to multiply, so that's 28 times 33 gives me 924 equals, and then when I cross multiply again, I get 42 and x, which is 42 times x, 42x. Now remember, 42 and x, since they're being multiplied, that's a coefficient. To get rid of that 42 and get x by itself, we need to divide by 42, divide by 42. These cancel out. And what is 924 divided by 42? 22. Okay, so we solve for x. Okay, we got our missing side. And then we're doing scale factor. Now, the scale factor went from the big one to the small one, okay? So that's why we're going to put our new one, our small one, over our old one, our original one, which is the large one. Small over large. So that's a division, small divided by large. So the small one, the two I know that are on the original are 28 and 42, right? So my new one, my small one, is going to be 28 over my large one, my original one, is 42. 28 over 42. So when I do 28 over 42, I can just type it in. It'll give me the reduced fraction. And my scale factor is going to be 2/3. And that is from the big to small. Big triangle to small triangle, my scale factor is 2 over 3. Okay, so remember for today, what you're going to be doing today is working on your review. Okay, so you want to open or get the review, go ahead and get started on it. The answers are on the wall. The video is going to be on the Google Classroom. Make sure you are working on completing your review because you have a quiz tomorrow that's very similar to the review. So make sure you do that review.